You see the water? Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Let me capture that little block right there. So this is so if you go all the way down that way, all the way down that way, this little block, you step on it. You see the water? So yeah, if you step on that block, those blocks too. So some of these blocks you can step on it and then out comes all the water. It looks like it's like raw sewage in there. So anyways, I just hit my shoe. Not that one, but the one when I first discovered it, walking through. So anyways, I keep walking. I never saw that, so I guess there's probably like raw sewage or something that's just this way underneath that. So if they're loose like that, you can step on it and water goes down your leg like that. So it's pretty nasty. It feels like sludge. And then otherwise, you know, really clean looking street. But anyways, that was interesting.